In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OpenGL 4.3 errors in Blender. If Blender shows a message saying a graphics card and driver with support for OpenGL 4.3 are required, it means your current hardware or driver doesn't meet Blender's minimum needs. Don't worry, let's walk through reliable fixes you can try in order. First, update your graphics drivers. This resolves the error in many cases. Go to your GPU's official support page. For NVIDIA, download the latest driver for your exact model. For AMD, grab the most recent Adrenalin driver that matches your card. For Intel integrated graphics, use the Intel driver and support assistant to detect and install updates automatically. During installation, choose the recommended options. When you're done, restart your computer so the new driver fully loads before you open Blender again. Next, confirm that your GPU actually supports OpenGL 4.3. Some older cards simply can't provide it, even with the newest drivers. Check your GPU's specifications on the manufacturer's website and look for OpenGL version support. If your hardware tops out below 4.3, Blender 4.x won't run on that system. In that case, you'll need to use an older Blender release that matches what your GPU can do. If your hardware can't meet the requirement, install an earlier Blender version. Blender 3.6 LTS and Blender 2.93 LTS are stable long-term support releases that work on a wider range of systems. You can download previous versions from the official Blender site. A handy tip, install older Blender versions side by side, or use the portable zip build so you don't overwrite your existing setup. Also be mindful that newer project files may not open in much older versions. Another important fix is to install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables that Blender depends on. Download the latest supported packages from Microsoft, install both the x64 and x86 versions, and restart your PC. Missing or outdated runtime libraries can prevent Blender from starting correctly, even if your GPU is fine. Finally, make sure Blender uses your dedicated GPU if your computer also has integrated graphics. On Windows, open Settings, go to System, then Display and open Graphics Settings. Add blender.exe if it isn't listed, choose Options, and set it to High Performance. This forces Blender to run on the more powerful GPU. If you're on a laptop, keep it plugged in and use a high-performance power plan for best results. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video